Yo, yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Devin Bad Teach here, back again, representing Black Diamond FX. And I want to take some time to show you guys how I was able to secure $2,000 on S&P futures this morning. All right. So the first thing I did, of course, I start off with a higher time frame. I used to start with the 4 in the daily, but now I've changed my style a bit and I start off with the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, you can see price has been bullish, right? Okay. So what do? I go here and I noticed that we had a little consolidation here. All right. I also know that we are bullish in the long term. All right. So I was expecting something coming out. So looking at it closely, what I noticed was we had a little rejection block right down here. I'm gonna mark it for you guys right here. You had this rejection block. All right. And then look at what happened. All right. Inside of this rejection block, we had a liquidity sweep. All right. When we get liquidity sweeps, I automatically expect price to go in the opposite direction of the sweep. Price was already bullish. We had a sell side sweep down here. Look what happened. Price took off. Now, as far as my entry goes, let's go to the 30. Let's look at the 30-minute. See, you can see it a little bit better right there. Go to the 15-minute. All right. And then we're going to take it to the 5-minute. But the 5 minute is where I like to get my entries at. All right. So looking at this, okay, so this was the sweep down here. Let me try to move it a little bit, stretch it out some, put it in the middle of the screen for you guys. All right, right there, right there. All right. So we had to be a little patient once we got the sweep. All right. So what happened was from that point on, it's pretty much smart money concepts from there. All right. So what happened was once we got the sweep, we wait till price go up. We broke structure. We broke this structure and we broke this structure. I wanted to see price break this structure right here. All right. And when I say break structure, I like to see candle close. So price broke that structure right here. Okay. And what happened was it came back down. As you can see, we had a little fair value gap there. Also, we had a little small one here with another little rejection block here. This could have been your entry right here. Plus another confirmation is price bouncing, wicking off of that 50 moving average. All right. So look, this could have been an entry here. This goes entry number one. Now, I didn't catch entry number one. The entry that I caught was entry number two, right down right here. All right. And see what happened was we had another break of structure right there. Boom. All right. Created fair value gap, came down to the breaker block inside the fair value gap. See that breaker right there? Breaker block inside fair value. Go down to the 1 minute. All right. And as price start moving away, see that rejection off of the 50 moving average? Boom, I got in right around here somewhere. Right around here. I just wanted to make sure price wasn't going to continue going down. Once price started moving away from it, I know that we were going to start going up. I got in and I caught it up to 63. I know it was $2,000. I forgot the exact point. I think it was up to here. I think it was at the top of this wick right here, but it was a $2,000 trade. Boom. And it's wash, rinse, repeat. This is the same process that I use every single day to trade in the futures market. Now, what am I looking for? Because the market is closed. Today is the 3rd of July. Tomorrow is the 4th. The market closed at noon Central Time today. What am I looking for? Because the market is going to open again at 5 p.m. Central. It's going to close again at noon on tomorrow, July 4th. So tonight I will be looking for a trade, and I already see my setup. Check it out. The same way I found this one here. Check this out. See this fair value gap right here? Right here. Boom, boom. Look at what we got. This is on the 1 hour. Another liquidity sweep right here. Boom. All right. Let's go down to the 15. Look, y'all see it? Same thing. Pretty much the same thing we saw down here, we got right here. All right. Now, it is possible price could come further down, but once again, we're going to be patient and wait. All right. Look at this. Fair value. Even got a little order block right here. All right, boom, right up inside of there. All right, let's go down to the 1 minute. Now, what I want to see now, okay, so we got a sweep. So I would want to see price. I want to see how price is moving away. I want to see a good fair value gap, and I want to see structure break. I want to see structure break here. All right, and I want to see something like this. I want to see fair value gap created. I want to see this structure broken, and then I want to see price come back either into fair value or this order block down here. Something like this. Break structure there, come back down, either fair value or order block, entry, and then boom, take it up. All right. That's the way I trade each and every day. That's how I get my payouts. Take profit trader, killing it. I just passed another one today. I'm stacking them. I will be copy trading them. The max you can get is 5. I have 4. All right. Um, my targets, I normally target $1,500 per contract, and I only trade ES, NQ, GC, and SI. That's the only 4 instruments that I trade. All right. And I can normally hit $1,500 per contract. All right. Per contract. All right. So with 4 contracts, 54 with 4 accounts, 1 contract each, $1,500. Do the math. That's $6,000. All right. And the max contracts you can trade on each account is 6. All right. So do the math. If y'all want to know the potential you can make, just do the math. All right. If you guys want to learn to trade with me, hit me up. Visit my website, blackdiamondfx.com. I can teach you everything I know. All right. I hope this helps. I'll talk to you guys later. Deuces.